Ever wondered how your daily diet could impact your thyroid health? It's a question worth pondering, considering the pivotal role the thyroid gland plays in our bodies. Nestled in the neck, this butterfly-shaped gland is a powerhouse, regulating numerous bodily functions. It controls our metabolism, energy levels, and even mood, making it a crucial component of our overall health. Now, imagine the potential benefits of a diet specifically tailored to support this essential gland. A thyroid-friendly diet filled with the right nutrients can help maintain optimal thyroid function, boost your energy, and even elevate your mood. Conversely, an unhealthy diet could lead to a sluggish thyroid, causing fatigue, weight gain, and mood swings. It's clear that what we eat can significantly influence our thyroid health. With this in mind, wouldn't it be fascinating to explore a diet plan designed with your thyroid's well-being at the forefront? So, ready to discover a diet plan that could help boost your thyroid health? Let's kickstart the day with a thyroid-friendly breakfast. Breakfast, as many of us know, holds the title of most important meal of the day. It's not just a slogan, it's a fact. After a long night of fasting, your body is ready to refuel and replenish, and what you choose to eat can truly set the tone for the rest of your day. When it comes to a thyroid-friendly breakfast, the key is to focus on high-protein and fiber-rich foods, while avoiding gluten. Protein helps keep you satiated and energized, while fiber aids in digestion. Gluten, on the other hand, can sometimes trigger inflammation in those with thyroid issues. So, what might a thyroid-friendly breakfast look like? Picture this: a smoothie packed with spinach, banana, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Or if you prefer something warm, how about eggs with gluten-free toast? Remember, a good breakfast sets the stage for the rest of your day. Mid-morning hunger pangs? We've got you covered. When it comes to thyroid health, it's crucial to keep your metabolism steady throughout the day. This is where a mid-morning snack comes into play. Think of it as a mini fuel station for your body. It's not about indulging in a bag of chips or a chocolate bar. Instead, consider healthier options like a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit. Nuts are a great source of selenium, which is essential for thyroid health, while fruits provide fiber that aids digestion and keeps you feeling full. This snack isn't just about curbing hunger. It's about maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Regular eating can prevent spikes and dips in your blood sugar that could lead to energy crashes. So the next time your stomach grumbles before lunch, don't ignore it. Reach for that healthy snack. Remember, it's not about eating less, it's about eating right. It's time to refuel with a thyroid-friendly lunch. Midday meals play a crucial role in maintaining our energy levels, and for those concerned with thyroid health, it's essential to make the right choices. A salad is an excellent base for a thyroid-friendly lunch. Opt for lean proteins like chicken or turkey, which provide essential amino acids without overloading on calories. Don't forget to pile on the veggies. They're loaded with fiber and antioxidants, which help to keep your digestive system humming and your immune system strong. For the dressing, go for one made with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado oil. These fats are not only good for your heart, they also aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. And let's not forget iodine-rich foods. They are a must in a thyroid diet. Foods like seaweed or fish can be a great addition to your lunch. Iodine aids in the production of thyroid hormones, making it a vital nutrient. A nutritious lunch will help keep your energy levels steady throughout the afternoon. As the day winds down, it's time for a balanced, thyroid-friendly dinner. Just as the sun sets and the curtains of night are drawn, it's time to gather around the table for that last significant meal of the day, dinner. As the proverbial saying goes, breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dine like a pauper. It's essential to keep your dinner light yet nutritious, especially when you're mindful of your thyroid health. Now imagine a plate. Fill half of it with vibrant, colorful vegetables, sautéed, steamed, or raw, however you like them. These are your antioxidants, your vitamins, your fiber. They're going to keep your system running smoothly and your thyroid gland happy. Next, fill a quarter of your plate with lean proteins. Think grilled chicken breast or a nice piece of fish. These are your muscle builders, your energy providers. They're packed with essential amino acids that help to maintain and repair tissues and support thyroid function. The last quarter of your plate is reserved for complex carbohydrates. Foods like quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes. These are your slow-burning fuels. They're going to provide you with a steady stream of energy without spiking your blood sugar levels. These are especially crucial if you're dealing with hypothyroidism, where your metabolism tends to slow down. And while you're at it, remember to avoid the pitfalls of processed foods and those high in sugar. They might promise instant gratification, but in the long run, they only serve to deplete your energy and disrupt your thyroid function. Choose foods that are as close to their natural state as possible, and your body will thank you. Dinner is not just about satisfying your hunger. It's an opportunity to nourish your body, to restore and replenish. It's a time to relax, to savor, and to relish in the flavors of nature. It's the final act in your day's performance, and it deserves just as much attention and care as the opening scene. Remember, your last meal of the day should be as nutritious as your first. Let's recap our journey through a thyroid-friendly diet. We embarked on a culinary voyage where every meal plays a vital role in maintaining thyroid health. Kicking off the day with breakfast, we learned it's not just about filling our bellies, but fueling our bodies with nutrient-rich foods like whole grains, fruits, and lean proteins. Then came the mid-morning snack, a small but mighty meal that keeps our metabolism humming. It's not about indulging cravings, but rather choosing foods like nuts and seeds that provide sustained energy. Lunch, our midday refueling station, reminded us of the importance of balance. A mix of proteins, carbs, and healthy fats ensure our systems run smoothly. And finally, dinner, our day's finale, where we learn to choose foods that promote rest and recovery, like lean proteins and leafy greens. Remember, a healthy diet is the first step to a healthy thyroid. Here's to your health.